Three things to look for on a roofer's workmanship warranty. So if you're in the market for a roof replacement and you're trying to compare workmanship warranties, here are some things to look for on a roofer's workmanship warranty. I'll say right up front, they vary widely in terms of what's covered and what's not, and on length. Some are as short as 5 years, some boast a lifetime coverage. But here, is it true lifetime, and is it what you're actually expecting? That's what actually matters. So the first thing, which is pretty typical, is transferability clause. A lot of times a roofer will have a great workmanship warranty. They say, what will come out and we'll fix whatever needs to be fixed, as long as you own the home. So as soon as you sell the home, whether it's next year or in 10 years, as soon as it transfers to another owner, the warranty is completely void. Now, my warranty here at Joyland does not include a transferability clause, which means that for 10 years, our workmanship covers the building. So we actually state in our warranty, this goes with the building, not the owner. Another big deal is check to see what the warranty actually covers. So let's say you get a new roof. The last thing you want is a leaky roof or issues. It does happen occasionally, and we want to know up front what is actually going to be covered by the workmanship warranty. Some roofers will cover only the rooftop damage. In other words, they'll just come out and fix the shingles or fix whatever was actually wrong and causing the leak, but they won't cover interior damage like drywall damage, painting, insulation damage, and so forth. I would recommend that you go with a roofer who does include those damages. Not that anything's going to happen, but in the case that it does, you're covered not only for the actual problem on the roof, but your interior damages are also covered. So check that out and make sure you understand how much is actually covered in the circumstance of a roof leak. Some other things roofers have occasionally is they'll put in something like, if you don't get your roof inspected every year by a certified roofer, or if we don't inspect your roof every year, then this warranty is null and void. So just make sure you look for exceptions like that, because those are super easy outs for a roofer to take. You call in with a warranty issue and they're like,
sorry, you didn't get the yearly inspection, so we can't cover you.
It does happen. So I'd say a big key is just look to see how many exceptions and exclusions their workmanship warranty has. The more there are, the less valuable it is. So you can see that if there are more exceptions and exclusions, then the term or the length of the warranty really doesn't matter as much as you might think it does. Now, another part of workmanship warranties is that it's important for your roofing contractor to be certified by the shingle or the roofing manufacturer. And a lot of times what that does is it allows them to offer you an even bigger workmanship warranty. So instead of just getting in my case, the 10-year Joyland workmanship warranty, which is issued by my company to you as a customer, we are also a GAF Master Elite contractor, and what that allows us to do is actually offer GAF's workmanship warranty on a job where we install their products. So that's what our workmanship warranty is on those jobs. It's 25 and sometimes 30 years depending on the products that are used. And I'm not going to get into the details of manufacturer warranties. I actually have another video about manufacturer warranties, which goes into the technical details of proration and length and terms and so forth. So feel free to check that out. So I think that's pretty much a wrap. In summary is look for what's actually covered on the warranty. Will they cover interior damages or just the roof? Is it transferable or not? And are there other funny little exceptions or clauses or something like that, like needing to do a yearly inspection or yearly maintenance or something like that to keep it valid? So hey, there you have it. And if you have any further questions on workmanship warranties or warranties in general when it comes to roofing, feel free to reach out to Joyland Roofing and we would love to help you. Hey, and by the way, if you like this video or the content on my channel, I'd love to have you like, comment, and subscribe, and you can get more great content like this about roofing and home exteriors.